How you doing? This is Terry. I'm out walking my dogs here at PatriotPups.org. We do about 10 miles a day, brother. I just need my rucksack right now. Hey, listen, I'm creating pack walks, a time where families can bring their dogs and walk in a safe, structured environment in a state park, beautiful thousands of acres, in a free manner. I want to have my first one to honor veterans. I'm calling it the Veterans Day Pack Walk, November 8th. You can pray for it, brother. Thanks. Have a great day. Hooah!